Meet the 7-inch-1 ultrasound facial care beauty machine, your ultimate solution for comprehensive skincare. Designed to exfoliate, cleanse, hydrate, and nourish. It combines all essential skincare needs into one powerful machine. Featuring cutting-edge technology and engineered for perfection. This 7-in-1 facial care beauty machine brings multiple benefits to your salon. Enhance your salon services with our 7-in-1 facial care beauty device, offering a range of treatments such as skin exfoliation, deep cleansing, hydration, and nourishment. It accommodates both individual sessions and comprehensive care. Featuring a 7-inch touchscreen, responsive touch feedback, and a streamlined UI interface design. This versatile skincare beauty machine ensures convenient parameter setting and operation monitoring. The metal construction of the handles provides a comfortable user experience. Invest wisely with metal-built handles, guaranteeing extended product lifespan. That ensures your beauty salon benefits from long-term equipment usage, establishing enduring value. Enjoy nearly non-invasive, painless treatments suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin, delivering immediate results without downtime. 1. Spray handle. Gently exfoliates using air pressure and purified water, improving skin tone and texture without harming the outer skin. 2. Skin scrubber uses micro vibrations 20,000 to 30,000 times to remove dead skin, excess sebum, and impurities, leaving skin refreshed. 3. Ultrasound facial handle and ultrasound eye handle generates heat to soothe skin and enhance solution absorption, especially beneficial for larger molecules, effectively nourishing the skin. 4. Ion pin handle, ion roller handle, and BIO handle utilizes ionophoresis to rapidly infuse ionized solutions into the skin, boosting nutrient penetration for nourishment and repair. 1. Boost your professional treatments, elevate your client satisfaction, and unlock radiant skin with the 7-in-1 ultrasound facial care beauty machine. 2. Visit Mychway to learn more and elevate your spa's offerings today.